Okay, we are on to the 5-3 work together for the Century 21 Accounting 11th edition multi-column journal. In this section, we're going to journalize some bounced check fees, some bounced checks, and some electronic funds transfers. So we have our transactions, 3 transactions in August, our journal, a chart of accounts that we can look at to get the official account titles. So let's look at our first transaction here then. August 18th, received notice from the bank of a dishonored check from Christine Iverson, $125 or $126 plus $25 fee for a total of $151, memo 312. So we'll start with the date, August 18th. And you can check your chart of accounts to see what the official account title is going to be for Christine. So chart of accounts, and let's find Christine's name on here somewhere. That's right here in their assets. It's an accounts receivable, Christine Iverson. So that's the title we're going to use. So accounts receivable, Christine Iverson. Let's go back over the transactions. So that's memo 312. So that's our doc number, M312. So now we've got to increase the amount of money that Christine Iverson now owes the business because that check that she wrote bounced. So she's still now she's back up to owing us not only the $126, but also now she owes the business the additional $25 for the bounced check fee. So the balance on her account is going to increase by $151. So the bad news to this is that check was deposited, so we showed it during the accounting process as an increase to cash. Well, now the bank's taking that money back out because the check bounced. So on paper, for our record keeping, we've got to not only show the decrease in cash of the $126, but the bank took $25 out of the account also as that fee. So we've got a decrease in our cash asset of $151. So now the next one, August 20th, paid cash on account to Schwartz Enterprises, $270, using EFT, electronic funds transfer. Basically, money comes out of the account immediately. Memo 312. So paid cash on account. So that means that was an accounts payable, but you can look at the chart of accounts if you need to. A liability, accounts payable, Schwartz Enterprises. So that's going to be the account title that we're going to use. So we'll go down here, put in the 20th. Accounts payable. Schwartz Enterprises. Memo 313, so M 313. So now that's a liability. So paid some money towards the liability, towards the amount owed. So now the amount owed is going to decrease. So that decreases in liabilities goes on the debit side. $270. The money was transferred out of our bank account. So decrease in cash is a credit. $270. Okay, so now we have our last one, the 21st. Purchase supplies, $62 using a debit card. 21st. Supplies, generally its own account, so just supplies. That's memo 314, so M314. M314. $62. Bought $62 worth of supplies. So supplies, asset increase. Asset increases go as a debit. So $62 there. Debit card, pretty similar to the electronic funds transfer. Takes it out of the checking account within a day or two. So decreasing that cash, decreasing that asset. So it decreases in assets, goes a credit. So $62 cash credit. So that is the 5-3 work together.